Welcome to my channel. This is a tutorial on how to make a paper boat. You will need a piece of paper. This is A4 format. And first step is that you just fold it in half. Press it down really firmly and fold it in half again. And then open it. Now we will fold the triangles to the center. And do the same on the other side. As you can see, we have the line here, and we will fold the paper to this line. So we do it on one side. And then repeat the step on the other side. And then we will pick it up, turn it for 90 degrees and then pull the sides out and press it down flat. And we will just tuck this paper in on both sides. Really press it down firmly. And then we will fold the layers up. So on one side and on the other side. Again, we pick it up and turn it 90 degrees and then pull sides out. And again, press it flat. Now we'll pull the top triangles out and press it down. And this is our boat, so pull the sides a little bit in, and here we have it.